Hello and welcome to a new music class with Miguel. Today we're going to learn two more new exercises, okay, for the bass. So the first exercise is going to be bouncing between strings, okay? So we're going to go back and forward from one string to the other, okay? That way it's going to be, it's going to make it easier for you to go from one string to the other, because with the bass, sometimes when you go from one string to the other, you let the other one ring, and that's not okay. So you have to learn how to play each note of every string individually, so that when you play one, the other one doesn't play, okay? So that is what this exercise is about, and that's what this is for. In the first exercise, you have this note right here. So we're gonna play first the fourth and the third string of the bass. Okay, and we're gonna play frets 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, as you can see here on this table, for each fret we will play one finger of our left hand. So every time we play the third fret on any string, you will use finger number 1. Anytime you play fret number 4 of any string, you play finger number 2. Every time you play the 5th fret on any string, you play finger number 3. And anytime you play the 6th fret of any string, you will play with finger number 4. Okay? So the first exercise will sound like this. Let me lower my camera so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, so that is exercise number 1. It doesn't sound pretty. Sounding pretty is not the point of the exercise. It's about hand mobility, okay, and technique. So don't worry if it sounds awful. I know it does, but that's not what this exercise is trying to accomplish. Sounding nice, no. It's only about getting your hand more flexible and fluid. Exercise number 2, okay, it's going to be string skipping. So now, not only are we going from one string to the other, we're going to skip a string and go to the other string after that, okay? So that is going to make it a little bit more complicated, especially for the bass, because it's really difficult at the beginning to not make one note sound if you're not meant to play it. I know it sounds kind of difficult to understand, but it does, okay? So in this exercise, we're going to be using only 2 frets, the 5th fret and the 7th fret. So that means that every time we play the 5th fret of any string, we're going to play finger number 1. But every time we play the 7th fret, we're going to use finger number 3. Okay, and we're going to go through all the strings of the bass. Okay, so this exercise will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me do it one more time. 3, 4. Okay, so that was exercise number 2 and the last exercise that you will do for this week. Don't forget to practice, because you have to record yourself on video playing the exercises. Okay, that is going to be your task for next week. Remember, you have a week to practice and record the best video possible. Don't forget to practice a lot. If you have any questions, just let me know. Email me, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.